Hey there, quick review and overview on this Core Tarps, heavy duty tarps, 16 mil tarp right here, very heavy duty. As you can see, 16 mil is pretty stiff, very thick, and it's gonna be extremely durable. This tarp is brown on the good side, and then on the other side, you've got black. As you can see here, you'll notice the hem that is overlapped all the way around the outside edge. And then you also have a poly rope that goes all the way around this hem that makes that outside edge very durable and tear resistant. You've got grommets placed on the corners with reinforcement, and they're about every 18 inches or so all the way around. This tarp is also UV resistant, so it is designed with materials that are gonna be resistant to degradation from UV rays being outside, and it's also waterproof, so if you need to cover something like a boat or something like that might be stored outside that you need to keep protected, you will get waterproof water shedding with this as well. Overall, this is a premium tarp, feels great. As you can see, very, very heavy duty for those applications where you need a tarp that'll take that extra abuse. This is going to be a great option.